The title of our major Hello everyone. The title of our major project is Plug and Play System Security Audit Tool. Our team name is Data Miners. Team members are Kratika Chaturvedi, Kirti Saraf, Muskan Makan, and Harshita Shrivas.
Our problem statement is organizations face the challenge of ensuring system security amidst evolving cyber threats. Traditional audit processes are cumbersome and requires expertise, limiting accessibility. There's a need for plug-and-play security audit tool that automates the assessment and remediation, simplifying cybersecurity for diverse systems.
So the idea that we have proposed to this particular problem statement is we are using a plug-and-play system security audit tool for Windows and Linux operating system. It is an agent based with a centralized dashboard. So we are going to use Raspberry Pi Pico in HID mode as a USB, which is going to be put into our system. So it will be a plug-and-play centralized dashboard, which will be launched on the web browser of the currently audited system.
And our technology stack is CircuitPython for writing the scripts, and Tableau for making the dashboard, Python, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript for website making.
So the approach details are we'll be doing all our system security audit compliant to NIST SP 853. NIST is SP 853 gives the parameters which impact the security posture of the system. The parameters can be registry settings, protocols, ports, services, remote connections, and all the files and their permissions present in the system. Then we also want to reduce all the human intervention. For that, we are using the Raspberry Pi Pico, and it really makes the whole idea plug and play.
The dependencies and or we can say that the showstopper are the user must plug our USB being in an administrator account, and we will either save the report on local computers or upload to the cloud.
This is the use case diagram of our idea. We are taking an instance of a CRPF IT admin, which will plug our USD device in the system, and it will auto launch, and it will check the parameters which impact security posture of the systems like protocols, ports, services, remote connections, account, file, and directory permission settings. And the file will go to the file will either be saved on the local dashboard of the user, or it will be going to the cloud. And then it will be analyzed through Tableau and it will generate an audit report which will be shown to user in a centralized dashboard. And this is the whole use case diagram of our idea.
Then these are some snapshots of the audit details. We have the IP addresses to which the connection is established in the public internet. There will be close wait, last acknowledgement, and established connections over the internet. These are the ports and these are the IP addresses. Then we also have BIOS information, what all the latest BIOS is installed in our system or the Audit system. The local users, we can also get the information about Active Directory users. We also have information about network, MAC address, IP address, and if RDP is enabled or not.
This is a snapshot of vulnerability assessment. This is a heat bar graph which shows the risk analysis of the user system.
The example use case in response to existing challenge of decentralized IT system log analysis for CRPF units and office deployed across different locations, we actually propose the development of a centralized system. This centralized system will address the lack of expert-driven threats and breach assessment by harmonizing log collection, analysis, and monitoring. By adopting the centralized approach, CRPF will enhance its security posture and ensure a robust and standardized system audit framework, fostering efficient threat detection and incident response nationwide.
limitations of a project is every system, despite through design and testing, has inherent limitations and constraints. The second is technical constraints may include scalability, bottleneck, performance limitations, or compatibility issues with specific hardware or software configurations. The third one is like inherent design trade-off exist, such as prioritizing simplicity over functionality or favoring certain requirements over others. And the last one is acknowledging and understanding these limitations is crucial for managing expectations and planning future enhancement or mitigations.
The future enhancements of our project is first is integration to new features or functionalities to meet emerging user needs or market trends. Second is leveraging advances in technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, or natural language processing to enhance intelligence and automation capability. Third is improvement in scalability, performance, and reliability through optimization techniques, architectural refinements, or adoption of cloud native technologies. Fourth is enhancing user experience through intuitive UI UX designs, accessibility improvements, and personalized customization options. Fifth and last is differentiating the system to drive user adoption and satisfaction.
Thank you, everyone. This was our project presentation. Have a good day.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.